All right, a little more off-roading for you on the HIMIWAY Cruiser. Big old fat tire bike. Knobbies. Comes stock with knobbies. And I'm throttling it. Pretty comfortable. You are up pretty high on this thing, you know. It's not really it's a mountain bike. It's not really a motorbike style, you know. So you're up pretty high, which is pretty cool. I'm not usually up this high, but I'm digging it. You just kind of float over the terrain. It's really cool. Nice and easy coasting. Yeah. Very nice. Very cool. Yeah. Digging it, people. Digging it. We're gonna go back. Just nice. Nice. All right. Throttle only. I don't even have to pedal. How nice is that? 750 watts. More powerful than I thought it would be. For those that don't know, I'm still a huge fan of the mid-drives. If you look at some of my earlier videos, I have a mid-drive also, and it's 750 watt. And the difference in capability between a 750 watt hub, rear hub versus mid-drive, it's like night and day. The mid-drive has so much more torque and power. It's kind of insane. But for a hub motor, the 750 watts got some real good power. HIMIWAY. Feels like there should be a song. Don't know what it would be. Riding along on a HIMIWAY Cruiser. So you can always make a song out of that. It's that old GTI, Rabbit GTI song. Riding along on my GTI. It works for any electric bike. I went on 2 rides this week on my road bike, so I feel like I got a lot of exercise. So I'm not really worried about throttle only right now. You know, I'm not a huge fan of throttle only because I like to get some exercise, but I don't really need exercise on this thing today. Not necessary. You know what you notice a lot in life? A lot of people don't have situational awareness. Now those people are old, and the guy's got a cane, God bless him. But the average person walking, whether it's an airport, a mall, a bike path, you know, grocery store, they just don't have situational awareness. They'll stop like dead in the middle of the path or wherever they are and just turn around and like, what? And they're gonna freaking bang right into you. So like, I don't know, I mean, look around. You know, this is a bike path. Like, why would you want to be in the middle of a bike path, right? For example. So, I don't know. Just something to think about. I'm a big situational awareness person. Before I, like, turn around in a situation, I stop and look over my shoulder. Like, I slow down and look. I don't just stop, you know? So. I'm really liking the off-road capabilities of this thing. A lot. Really like the tires. A lot. Really like the front suspension. A lot. Whoa, what the hell is that? So, I hope I'm not cursing myself. But Kenda, with these big old fat tires, are known for having built-in tire liners. So let's pray I'm not religious, but let's pray anyway. That this thing, you know, let's just, well, I don't want to say the words, but let's just say the integrity of the tires is maintained, you know? Because on my other bikes, my Super 73R, for example, I put double tire liners in those freaking things just to keep it from popping. So, hoping I don't have to do that on this thing. Alright, they're not really looking either. You know what I saw riding around here once? On this really nice little family park trail. One of those little 9-bot go-karts. I actually rode one not long ago and did a video, check it out. But on this thing, they're riding that. Like, really? A, this is a dirt path. B, it's a park. Like, come on, really? You're gonna ride that in a park? I don't know. The volleyball court. A lot of people at the park. A whole lot of people at the park. Look at these people. I have no freaking clue. Oh, okay. Thank you. Like, all you gotta do is just lift your head up every once in a while, you know? And just look around. Be like, oh, there's somebody else on this trail. We're gonna do some grass. See what that's all about. Handling grass really freaking well. Just pulls you through it like nothing. Yeah. Very impressive. Yeah, this thing is definitely, perhaps more than any bike I've ridden, a dual sport, you know? I've had, you know, some dual sport motorcycles. A Yamaha TW200. You know, it's a big old fat, huge fat tire. This thing's 4 inches wide. That's like 16 inches wide. And it's got a light and blinkers and all that. A Honda XL100. Again, kind of a fat tire bike, but it's got lights and mirrors and blinkers, and it's meant for both on-road and off-road. That's what this feels like. Dual sport. If I were HIMIWAY, I would actually change this to the HIMIWAY Dual Sport. Like, there are no dual sport named electric bikes that I know of. So take it. Take the name, run with it. Be the dual sport bike. That's what this is. You can very easily and comfortably ride this on the street, as I am. No hands. You can very comfortably and easily ride this in the dirt, as I have. On the grass. And then I'm going to do a full range, terrain test. But yeah, I mean, you can do all that. I bet you can do this in the sand. I bet you can do this, you know, through like bark and mulch and all that stuff, and gravel. I bet it handles it all. I will say, although this has a really big battery, 48 volts, 17.5 amp hour, which is really big. When you do throttle only on any bike, you're gonna wear it through the battery, you know? So I'm doing throttle only right now. I've probably ridden like 10 miles. And, you know, I've gone through 2 of the 5 bars. Although, let me see something. You know what's interesting? If you stop using throttle, power down a little bit in terms of pedal assist level, and just pedal it, sometimes the battery recovers, you know? So let's see what happens. Maybe it'll recover. Maybe I haven't gone through 2 full bars. That guy's got an electric bike. What's up, man? I don't know what that was. That might have been a Zugo Rhino, maybe. So I'm in gear 2, pedal assist 2. And let's see if she, oh, that guy's really got some eyes for the bike. See if the battery recovers. You know? We'll see. Now we're gonna come to a stop, and that's when the battery really recovers. Sometimes on bikes like this, the battery is using so much wattage. The bike's using so much wattage, and the battery's using so much power that it makes it look like the battery's like really dying, but then it kind of recovers. So we haven't recovered yet. We're still at 3 bars out of 5. Yeah, we might have gone through 2 full bars. It's all right. You just can't ride these things full on, what do you call it? Full on throttle, you know? You gotta ride it with a little bit of pedal assist. Otherwise it's gonna kill the battery, you know? Skate park, pump track, pump track. Yeah, we're not recovering the battery. Anyway, that's gonna do it, people. God bless. Peace out.